In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create ad groups in Google Ads. The process may look a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to digital advertising. But once you understand the steps, it becomes simple and incredibly useful for improving your campaign performance. To begin, head over to your Google Ads account and open the overview page. This is where you can see all your active campaigns and manage everything related to your advertising. From here, click on the campaign section in the left-hand menu. This is the main area where you'll select the campaign you want to work with and begin the process of creating your new ad group. After entering the campaigns area, choose the specific campaign where you want to add the new ad group. Selecting the correct campaign is important because each ad group must be tied to a campaign that shares the same advertising goal and audience. Once you select your campaign, click on the Ad Groups tab. This is where all your existing ad groups are displayed and where you'll begin building the structure for your new one next. You'll look for the plus icon near the top of the page. This is the button that allows you to create a new ad group. Click it and a setup window will appear. The first thing you'll need to enter is the ad group name. Choose a clear and descriptive name that reflects the main theme of your ads. Using organized names makes it easier to manage your ads later as your campaign grows. Now it's time to focus on keywords. Keywords are the core of your ad group because they determine when your ads will be shown. Think about the search terms your potential customers might use when they're looking for the product or service you offer. Enter these keywords into the keyword field. You can also use Google's Keyword Planner if you want suggestions or help finding additional terms that match your topic. Grouping closely related keywords together helps Google understand your ad better, which can improve targeting and performance. Once your keywords are added, scroll down to review your setup. Double-check your ad group name and keyword list to make sure everything aligns with your advertising intentions. Taking a moment to review your choices prevents issues later and helps ensure your ad group is well organized from the start. When you're happy with your settings, click Save and Continue. Your new ad group will be created and added to your chosen campaign. After this step, you can start building the ads that will run inside the group and continue refining your campaign structure. And that's all it takes. You've successfully created an ad group in Google Ads. Even though the process is straightforward, paying attention to keyword selection and organization can make a big difference in your results. Well-structured ad groups lead to better targeting, stronger performance, and more efficient use of your advertising budget. Keep reviewing and adjusting your ad groups regularly so they stay aligned with your goals and continue to perform well as trends and customer behaviors change. Thank you for following along, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.